JKK Mobile here again on CeBIT 2010, and this time checking really cool, I would say experience. It's a UI, it's an operating system, depending where you see it, but it's called PTPT. So let's get a little bit closer to the system itself and see what we have here. So we have a touchscreen computer here, and we have pretty petite system on top of that. So what are we seeing here actually?
Okay, so what we see is a data organization system based on touch that decomposes complex data into people, things, places and time. So there's just one timeline for everything that you have in your assets. What I can do is I can open, for example, my people, then artists, then I can say, okay, how many artists do we have? This is, for example, Sade, right? And now I open places, go to my websites, pull out GraceNote, I drag Sade on GraceNote here. The browser opens with a query already, and I can say, give me more information about this artist here. And what it does is the biography, but you also see the related artists here, and the Copilot over here analyzes the content of your browser and tells you what sort of data you have on your hard drive. So I can say this is, for example, Erykah Badu, and I also have Erykah Badu on my hard drive here. So what I can do is I again open up her and pull out the music to the timeline and just listen to her music, right? So what I got was interacting with the web, getting similar artists from Sade, very simply just by opening by touch a website that analyzes the data outside and inside.
So basically we're connecting every little detail to every other detail and mashing that into databases and having access from any corner to any other corner. Exactly. And having that on the time.
Exactly.
So interacting with this, what would be one really good user scenario? Where would you absolutely would need that?
So I want to see this on a consumer computing device, for example, a 7-inch slate device.
Okay.
That has no keyboard, really is a slate and can.
You have a keyboard there?
We also have an on-screen keyboard with a prediction here, so I can write a very simple sentence. I'm going to write a little sentence.
Okay, so this is totally just not like connecting dots. This is also full user interface, full
exactly.
interface with the machine. So
what we want to do is give the whole user experience on touchscreens and not just be one interface for exploring files, but really give the whole user experience for their data.
Yeah, that's looking really nice. We will hear more soon about that, and we will do some hands-on later when we figure out more about this system and experience. But right now looking really interesting. I'm of course stealing a copy to my own home tablet and check more about that later. But this was PTPT at CeBIT 2010. With you was JKK, jkkmobile.com. More soon.